In this video, we will show you how to pair the HRM-Fit with the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. To pair your HRM-Fit with the Garmin Connect app, you will need your HRM-Fit and your compatible smartphone. You will also need to be wearing your strap. For more details on setting up your HRM-Fit, see our Getting Started video linked in the description. Once wearing your HRM-Fit, open the Garmin Connect app and select More, followed by Garmin Devices. Then, select Add Device. The Garmin Connect app will then start searching for nearby products. When your HRM-Fit is found, select Connect It. Then select the pairing prompt. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. And that's it! You can now pair the HRM-Fit with the Garmin Connect app. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!